at Painters and Allied Trades District Council 53, we're doing everything we can to help you, the facility owner and the contractor, win the war on corrosion.
Especially industry-wide around the world, corrosion costs billions of dollars, and the control of it, there's a tremendous cost with it, but it pays benefits, tremendous benefits.
The majority of taxpayers don't realize is that it's the taxpayers that ultimately foot this bill. Now, an old report that Mace performed for the U.S. government, 1999, they put together a task force and they assigned NACE to put together this study on the pervasiveness of corrosion, what it actually costs the U.S. economy. And back then, I think I'd like to state that the report was complete in 2002, 2001, 2002. But it basically said that corrosion cost the United States, our economy, $279 billion. Now, since that number came out, and they also equated and they came up with a figure just under $1,000. I want to say it was somewhere roughly around $930 to $970 per U.S. taxpayer. Now, since those figures came out, G2 Laboratories came out in April and May of last year, 2013, and stated that the cost of corrosion by June will have eclipsed $1 trillion here in the United States. Now, if at $279 billion, if it was almost $1,000 per taxpayer, what is that amount?
Phil Becker. I work for Department of Highways in Elkins, West Virginia. I'm in the bridge department. I design bridges. Corrosion's in this part of the country. Corrosion's a problem all the time. We're always looking for solutions.
I'm Tim Myers. I'm a construction superintendent for the bridge department. And as he said, we are looking for different things like for the zinc and stuff for the corrosion, and trying to figure out different ways to keep the corrosion down.
Population, the pipelines now are going through populated areas, and without corrosion control, you could have catastrophic consequences if it wasn't for corrosion control in the industry.
An ACE2, an ACE3, SSPC, CAS. All these were either received at the training center or inspired by that.
Jim Kunkel with the SSPC, Society for Protective Coatings. We're here today to represent the Society, but also to take part of the training that's happening here at DC 53. The SSPC works with DC 53 and other union training to train craft workers, and also through our certified application specialists for people to have a career path within the painting.
Corrosion costs West Virginians millions of dollars. And here at District Council 53, the Painters and Allied Trades, we're doing our part to fight the war on corrosion through the Coating Application Specialist, also known as CAS certification. Developed jointly over 6 years by the SSPC and the Finishing Trades Institute, the CAS program certifies experienced professionals in all areas, including theory of corrosion, surface preparation, and coating application. The Coating Application Specialist specializes in corrosion mitigation of steel and concrete surfaces on structures that include bridges, food and beverage facilities, offshore drilling platforms, ships, power generating facilities, petrochemical plants, storage tanks, and wastewater treatment plants. To learn more about the Coating Application Specialist, visit www.coatingandcorrosionnews.com.